Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just zooming in here so we can see this pin bar, and this pin bar was a 350 odd point tail. Okay, so that's a pretty good indication that there are buyers coming in here. Now, it didn't really come in off a level. I suppose we could argue that that's the first level, that was the first level, and then this is the second level. So pretty much bang on the level. So your buyers were in at 28,172, and personally I think we've basically defined a new channel. So if we do that and we do that, you can see pretty clear channel, bottom of channel, nice pin bar off a level. Break above yesterday's high is going to validate longs for me. Okay, so at the moment we're slightly down. On the 3 hour you can see pretty much finding some resistance here, right over there. So you can see there's my inside tails there, over here and there. So we are finding some kind of resistance at 28,610, but personally I think this is just the Asian session and probably European session as well. Wouldn't be too surprised to see a double bottom here. I really don't think we're going to see a fall further than where we did fall to. I think we're going to find a bit of consolidation here and then a move to the upside. So if we just start moving down to the lower time frames, you can see at the moment we have a break of the moving average. We're coming back to test it. Still a way to go in this this 1 hour candle, so wait and see what transpires here. But personally I think what we do have here is we've got an area, a fairly strong area of support here. Okay, which is 28471. So this is the area that needs to hold. If it does hold, I'm looking for a break above the high of above the high of, what about 1 hour? So we're looking for a break of the high that's in place at the moment, and then looking for continuation to the upside. Okay, we also have this trendline break over there, so you can see not exact, but you'll get the picture. There was our original trend. We broke the upside, found support on it, then we're finding resistance off it, and now we've broken through it again. Now we're coming back into that area. So I'm looking for opportunities to buy, and this is the zone that I'll be looking at. And if we just pop down to the 15 minutes here, you'll see two ways of playing this for me at the moment. One is to wait for the structure on the level, and the other one is to wait for the break and retest of 28,610. Okay, so that's the two things that I'm watching for today. Definitely anticipating another move to the upside, and just coming back to the daily. Just delete all the noise here. You can see we had 4 days of a pretty solid move. We've had a 3-day pullback. Let's call it 2.5 day, because that is buyers coming in, and we're now looking for a move to the upside. Now, upside targets are pretty clear for me at the moment. So one of them here is all the way up there, and the other one is obviously the previous high. Now if I just move to the left and see what that means, one of them you can see is a pretty good level here. Okay, we're at around 29,200, and then the all-time high, which is at 29,561. So that to me is probably the structure that we're looking for. Maybe not today. If it does happen today, then that's going to be an exhaustion bar, but definitely setting up for it for next week. Okay, and the thing is, from where we are at the moment, you're looking at, for your first target, as a good 670 points, and your second target is a good 1,000 point target. So coming back to the 15, this is what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be looking for structure on a lower time frame, off a level preferably. Pick up your level sort of on the 3 hour. Okay, and you can see there's a fairly good level there. Swing across and you can see that's the zone that you need to pay attention to. You can see where all the rejections, supports, resistance, all in that zone. So that's kind of what you're looking for. Upper level of it is 28,471 and the lower level of it is 28,378. So coming back the 15 minute, basically what you'll be looking for is any kind of bullish price action on or inside that zone. Okay, that's kind of my view on this. I'm definitely looking for longs, and we'll see what happens at the European Open. Europe might be a little bit slow, so you may have to wait for the US Open, but you never know, maybe something does happen during the European Open that the buyers step in during Europe. Otherwise, what's going to happen, it'll drift lower, and then on the US Open it'll be volatile in the beginning and then basically move in the direction. Okay, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.